Hi my loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mal if you're new here, and you guys, we are doing such a fun cosplay of Sugar Plum Fairy makeup. I'm having so much fun with this, you guys. I'm definitely enjoying getting back into doing makeup and just having fun and sitting down with you guys. So this is what I created today, inspired by the contacts that I'm wearing. You guys, these contacts are from coloredcontacts.com, and you guys, they're the sponsor of today's video. You guys have to check out their fantasy collection of lenses. They have 6 new shades and they're amazing, and I'm going to try them all on for you guys and show you all the different fun colors and let them inspire me to create this makeup look. So before jumping in to trying on the lenses, you guys, coloredcontacts.com has an amazing variety of colored lenses. They have everything from special effects lenses, cosplay, Halloween, hundreds and hundreds of styles with every color combination you can imagine. Now, not only that, but their lenses are very comfortable. You guys know in my reviews, I'm always super honest about contacts. So if you're looking for a comfortable special effects contact that you can actually wear, you need to get these. I have 6 shades to try today from the brand Chroma View. I believe some of these are daily and some are monthly. Here's the first shade called Elven Blue, and yeah, these are insane. They look actually so good with this like copper fiery hair that I have in. Next, let's try Nymph Purple. This color I was actually really excited about when I saw them on the website. I kind of felt inspired by these. Oh yeah. These are so cool. I think these might be the ones for my look, but I definitely need to see what the rest look like. I want to try Amethyst Purple next so I can see which ones I like better. These are actually really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of a fan of how purple contacts look. I know they're not natural at all, but I just think they look so pretty. So yeah, this is a little bit softer. I really like how these look. So these are definitely a winner so far. Here we have Hazel Gemstone, and these are actually kind of pretty. They're giving like a cartoon vibe, but they're a little softer. I feel like these would be really nice if I wanted to do like an earth garden fairy, which I was kind of leaning towards, but I don't know, I kind of want to play with some color today, guys. I just put in Siren Green, and wow. These look so killer with my hair. Again, I feel like just everything is like reflecting and contrasting so well with this fiery hair. So I'm really, really loving these. But I have one more to try, and these ones are pink. They're so cute. So let's see what this last pair is like. Here is Pixie Pink. Oh my god, these are so, so cute. I actually was kind of thinking that I might fall in love with these just because I love pink. Like, look at how adorable. One thing that I'm so impressed by when I order from coloredcontacts.com is that their special effects contacts are honestly so comfortable. I just tried on 6 pairs of contact lenses, and they're all super bold, enlarging, crazy colors, and my eyes feel completely fine. I'm zooming you guys in here. Let's get nice and close so that we can really see what we're doing with this look. I'm going to be using my MAC Artistry palette. This one has a bunch of colors. And then I also have this other MAC palette that I made, and it has a bunch of other really fun bright colors. I'm going to go ahead and work with this lighter blue shade first in a matte tone, and I'm going to pop this on my inner corner here and kind of all on the inside of my eye. I already primed my lids with just a bit of concealer. That's usually what I use. The fun about doing a cosplay look is that it's all just about like releasing your creativity. It's literally just for fun. It doesn't have to be perfect or particular in any way. I'm next gonna go in with this kind of deeper blue here, and with these shades, because they're matte and they're very bold and pigmented, I like to kind of stamp them in and then pack them on rather than using a fluffy brush yet, because when you use a fluffy brush with a blue, it doesn't necessarily like hold on to the pigment the way that you need it to. So I'm really gonna stamp this on, and then after I'll use a nice fluffy brush and like soften out the edges. Still am getting over a little bit of a cold, so please excuse my sniffly, raspy voice, but it feels really good just to be like having fun and playing with makeup right now. So this is feeling very like healing. I always feel like playing in makeup is a really therapeutic thing for me, and I really miss that, you know, I used to do it a lot more. I don't do it anywhere near as much, but I still have a lot of fun when I make the time to do it. We are just taking that same shade with a fluffier brush, and I'm just like fanning out the edges because I want these edges to be really soft, you know, kind of like blown out. I actually want to take just a little bit of this lighter blue once more and just, I don't know, something's telling me that I want it down here. Okay, now I want to take this nice rich deep blue. This one actually has like a bit of shimmer in it, and I'm going to stamp this like right in this outer corner and kind of drag it out. This is kind of, I want it to resemble like fairy wings coming from my eyes. I'm gonna walk downstairs later and my husband's gonna be like, what are you doing? He already knows, like he saw me doing my hair and he was like, we're gonna go to Costco later, like is that what you're gonna wear? Like oh, it's so funny. And I'm just taking this fluffy brush once more and just kind of buffing this all out to soften it. I want to take this sparkly blue and I'm going to layer this on top of my lid. I'm going to use my eyeliner pen here and create a little design. I have eye tape on here, you guys, so if you're wondering what that is, I tried to like snatch my face, so I don't know, we'll see if it's working. I feel like eyeliner on the top of my eyes is a must, so let me go ahead and add a wing. I have these adorable little lashes here. How cute are they with the hearts on the end? So we need to put these on and then we'll add our finishing touches, which I think are gonna be some gems. But yeah, lashes first because these are gonna be killer. Tell me that these are not anything and everything that you've ever wanted in your life. These are doing it for me. Like I'm loving them. A little mascara on the bottom. I need a little blush, so I'm just gonna take this Kylie Cosmetics in Mellow Berry. This one is really, really cute and it's kind of glowy. I feel like it's perfect for a sweet little sugar plum fairy look. And I want to look cute, so we're definitely putting it on the nose too. Kind of gonna be dramatic about it on the nose. Yeah. And I also, like, I love the glow that this blush glow gives. The other thing that I love about it is you can just put it on your lips. It actually is a lip and cheek glow balm. Yeah, this is a lip and cheek glow balm, so I want the same shade on my lips. Put a little bit up in here. I have these gem pieces. I'm just gonna take these bottom ones here. I don't want too much because, you know, it's not like I'm going to a rave here. We're just dressing up as a fairy for fun. So, like that to balance it out. I think that's so cute. Okay, now for the moment of truth, you guys. We need to put the contacts in. Okay, y'all, here is the finished look. I am so excited about this. This was the funnest thing I've done in so long. I'm loving this look. I feel like a little sugar plum fairy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much to colorcontacts.com for sponsoring today's video and inspiring me to create this adorable fairy look with their fantasy collection. You guys, their fantasy collection is available right now, so make sure you check them out. Links are all in the description bar. Let me know what you think of this look. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Mwah! Bye. Single on the body, take on the body,